Hey guys, Nick here. Today I'm going to show you part 2 of the jet ski project.
Let's go work on jet skis.
Okay, so as you might remember, our problem with this jet ski was the starter motor. It was all burnt up and did not work. Therefore, the engine could not turn over. I was finally able to buy a new starter motor and assemble it back into the ski. And then I reassembled the exhaust, which I had taken out to make putting the starter motor in easier. Then I tried plugging in the key and starting the engine. When I fired up the ski, I had noticed that it was vibrating quite a bit. When the previous owner sold this to me, he had replaced this spark plug on the left. It was dry when I got it, and it looked like it had never been used. I thought that was because he had just replaced it. So I checked it again after I fired it up, and it was still perfectly dry and clean. So then I thought maybe that cylinder's not getting gas and oil. So I deduced that that was correct. There's no gas or oil getting into that cylinder. So I pulled the carburetors off to check them and clean them. Thanks for watching part 2 of my jet ski fixing. I hope this video helped, and be sure to look for more.